Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we are talking about how to train your memory.
And good news, you probably do not have a bad memory.
You may just have an untrained memory.
Exactly. Memory is like a muscle, but thankfully, we do not need gym clothes for this one.
That is a relief.
Many people say, I always forget things, but sometimes the problem starts earlier.
It starts with attention.
Yes, if you were not really listening, your brain had nothing clear to remember.
That happens with names all the time.
Someone says their name, and 2 seconds later, your brain says, good luck.
Very true.
So the first step is to be present when you learn something.
Do not think about the next thing too quickly.
Give your full attention to the name, idea, lesson, or instruction.
A strong reason also helps.
When something matters to you, your brain holds it more carefully.
You can ask yourself, why do I need to remember this?
That one question can make your memory wake up a little.
Another simple trick is to turn ideas into pictures.
The brain often remembers images better than plain words.
For example, if you learn the word bridge, imagine a real bridge in your mind.
Make it funny, big, bright, or connected to your own life.
You can also connect new information to something you already know.
New things feel easier when they are linked to familiar people, places, or stories.
And please review before everything disappears.
Do not wait until your brain deletes the file.
Yes, review a little before you forget.
Memory practice is not only for exams or books.
You can practice with names, tasks, directions, vocabulary, and shopping lists.
Small daily practice slowly makes your memory stronger.
Remembering people is also a beautiful people skill.
When you remember someone's name or small detail, they feel valued.
And better memory gives you more confidence.
You feel calmer when speaking, learning, presenting, or answering questions.
Now let's move into shadowing practice.
Listen carefully, speak out loud, and let these sentences train your memory.
I can train my memory with small daily practice.
I pay attention before I try to remember.
I stay present when I learn something new.
I give my full focus to names and details.
I remember better when something matters to me.
I turn new ideas into simple pictures.
I connect new information to things I already know.
I review important ideas before I forget them.
I practice memory with small tasks every day.
I remember names because people matter.
I use my memory to show care and respect.
I do not panic when I forget something.
I give my brain another chance to learn.
I trust my memory more with practice.
I feel more confident when my memory improves.
Great job completing this Shadowcast lesson.
Remember, the goal is not to memorize every word.
The goal is to listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
Play this lesson again and say the lines out loud.
Your memory gets stronger when you practice with attention.
Small practice today can become real confidence tomorrow.
Keep training your memory in simple daily moments.
See you in the next lesson.